I'm Jim Gordon, Beers and Gordon. 12 years ago, when I decided to go from being a defense attorney to a plaintiff attorney, a lot of people asked me, why did you want to switch? They've asked David the same question. It was very simple for me, and I think for David. We wanted to help people. For a long time, for the first about 10 years of my career, I worked for insurance companies and helped insurance companies and helped mostly, we worked for commercial carriers, so mostly companies, help them with their insurance needs and help them defend cases. I like most of my clients, I really like the people I work with, but I wanted the opportunity to meet the actual individual. I remember when I first started out, one of my first mediations with the mediator over in Daytona, he looked at me and said, you're not going to be on the defense side very long, you care too much for people. And because after that mediation, even though we settled the case and I actually saved money for the insurance company, the plaintiff came over and gave me a hug after the case was over and was very thankful for, I guess, the way I treated her at mediation. So it was always in the back of my mind was to try to go and help the individual. The other reason that I wanted to switch sides and go to the plaintiff side was the opportunity to control more what we were doing. And when I say control, I mean control the type of cases we can get, because when you're doing defense work, you get what's assigned to you by the insurance company. We can actually meet with clients, decide if it's the right fit for the client, if it's the right fit for Beers and Gordon. Because sometimes it's not. Sometimes they decide we're not the right fit, or sometimes we say that's not the right type of case, it's not the kind of case we want to present. So that was important because I want to be able to passionately provide representation to my client. The other reason I wanted to switch and become a plaintiff attorney and go to a smaller firm was the opportunity to control what we wanted to do. When I say what we wanted to do, it's just what we wanted to do like in the community. If we wanted to help people in the community, we wanted to offer money for an event or for a charity, we could do that. I didn't have to go to a supervisor, I didn't have to go to anyone. David and I would talk it out and we would be able to do that. And that was a big part of why I wanted to switch from being a defense attorney to a plaintiff attorney.